Hi again, EZmath&science is back for the second part of the question. I already covered what a rational function is and how to perform the addition between two rational functions, and now I'm going to be covering the division between two rational functions. As you notice here, we have the same function here. So the question was asked this way. So they asked to find what is f over g of x. As I covered in my last video, this is the same as f of x divided by g of x. It's the same as the addition, as I told you. So what we're gonna do, this is f of x, this is g of x, so we will write it this way. It's gonna be 3x plus 1 over 7x minus 1 over, make this longer, 5x over 7x minus 1. As you probably already know, that when we're dividing two fractions, we just take the first fraction and we multiply it by the inverse of the second fraction. So that applies for rational functions as well. So that's what we're going to be doing here. So this will be equal to 3x plus 1 over 7x minus 1 times 7x minus 1 over 5x. So this is the way you write it. So this is the first fraction multiplied by the inverse of the second fraction. And since it is a multiplication, we can just cancel this one, because 7x minus 1 over 7x minus 1, this is equal to 1. So we can just cancel it out. So the final answer is 3x plus 1 over 5x. That's what the final answer is actually. And I think there was another part to the question, so that's what I'm gonna read right now because I don't remember. Okay, so yeah, there was another part to the question. As the last one, I have to actually find the domain of the final function, this one. So the domain of that function is actually x, so that all x's, so that x is different from 0. As long as x is different from 0, we can receive like all the other values for x. So that's what the answer is to the domain of that function, because if you replace the function by 0, you have 1 over 0. That's again undetermined, and you don't want that, as I told in my other videos. So guys, I really appreciate it, and I hope that I answered the question to that particular person and other people can find it helpful as well. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and you'll be receiving more of my tutorials. Thank you. Bye.